Hey guys, what's going on today? So today is Sunday, November 7th, and currently it is about 50 degrees outside, so it's not too awful bad, but this takes care of November for riding every month. So, as you can see, downtown Phoenixville is shut down, the way it has been all summer. So, on the weekends, people can enjoy sitting outside, and I don't know why you would want to sit outside in 50-degree weather, but hey, that's just me. So, today I'm on my way over to my mom's house, drop some stuff off to her. So, being the fine son that I am, I have to do that kind of stuff, you know. So, just joking, guys. I'm not tooting my own horn. People sitting outside down there. It's gotta be cold, man. I remember one night, me and the wife, it was probably last October. We were at my mom's house visiting, and on the way home, we decided to go out to eat. So, I was dressed for the day, which was pretty much shorts and a t-shirt, because it was still in the mid-60s. Well, they sat us outside at dinner, and I froze my fucking ass off. Dude, by the time we got done dinner, I was shivering like you wouldn't believe. My wife was laughing at me, but I was shivering. My wife was prepared for it. She was wearing pants, and I think she had a long sleeve jacket on, or she had a long sleeve shirt on, or she had sweatshirt, something. But she was fine. I was freezing my ass off. So let's talk about freezing your ass off. So I don't know if you've noticed in the beginning of this video so far, I have added something to the motorcycle. I added these handguards. So I was gonna do an install on them, but I decided not to, because it's an easy install and there's no reason to do it. It's pretty straightforward. I'll leave a link in the description for these handguards for any Vaquero, Voyager owners out there that want to buy them. But just to let you know, you are going to have to make some modifications for the most part. So I found this out on one of the Vulcan forums. Somebody put these on a Voyager, and what they had to do, damn, there's a lot of wind coming through there. What they had to do to make these work. So they attach at the bottom underneath to the bolt that goes through for the levers. So when you add in the thickness of the handguard, the metal on the handguard, you don't get a real great bite on the threads. You might get one or two threads, but it's not awesome. So what this person did, and I don't remember his name. So what this person did was he drilled out the hole a little bit, and he had these nuts, cap nuts, that were from an early 70s Volkswagen Beetle wiper arm, and apparently these nuts work perfectly. So that's what I did. I ordered a pair of nuts for a early 70s Volkswagen Beetle wiper assembly, drilled out the hole a little bit, and I had to use 2 washers to make sure it was tight enough. So a washer up top, washer on the bottom. So that's what I did. And then I had to, I don't know, to trim the edges on the inside of the handguards to clear the fairing, to clear the windshield. So since I don't have a regular grinder, I was kind of ingenious and used my dog nail grinder and grinded the hell out of them bitches. And actually, when I stop up here, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I'll show you what I did. So I ground down the edges around here, I hope you can see that, and on the other side, to be able to clear the corner of the windshield on either side. And it actually worked out well. So I honestly think, because they're not bad, my fingers aren't getting cold, and I'm wearing gloves that in this temperature my hands should be freezing right about now, but they're not. So I think what I need to do is bring them up slightly more, bend it up, so it'll have more protection on my hands. But I'll try it out for a little bit this way, see how it goes, but then and then go from there. But I'll tell you, it's not a bad day at all to ride. I wish I could have got out yesterday. I had family obligations to do, and actually past 2.5 weeks I have been temporarily working a different shift at work, where I wasn't working overnights for the last couple of weeks. I was working, you know, early afternoon till 11, 12 o'clock at night, or, you know, 11, whatever. And then by the second full week I was doing it, I was starting at 12 and then getting done at whatever. And I'll tell you what, man, it's not bad, but the money, honestly, I'll be honest with you, the money I was making on that shift is not what I'm used to making. It was yeah, less. So this week I am starting back on my regular shift where I'll be running overnights again. So it's just the way it worked out. But to get a break for a couple weeks and actually have, like, come home on Friday night and actually have a kind of a weekend was pretty good. So me and the wife did our home stuff yesterday, our grocery shop and our regular shop, whatever we had to do yesterday. So we got all that done yesterday. So it worked out well. So today like I said, I'm on my way over to my mom's, dropping us off to her. So in my last video, I talked about the battle for PA and between Wawa and Sheetz. And a couple people had mentioned in the comments, Pat and Misplaced Motor Vlogger, Royal Farms. Now, I've talked about Royal Farms in the past, and while I have not had anything other than their chicken, like I haven't had a hoagie, I haven't had anything else from there, their chicken is the bomb, dudes. So if you get a chance to go into Royal Farms, now I don't think they're gonna surpass Sheetz or Wawa. Definitely not Wawa, because I don't know if they even have hoagies in there. Like, I don't know what kind of, other than chicken, I don't know what kind of food they serve in there. But their chicken, phew, that is some good yard bird right there. So guys, this is where I'm going to leave you. I will keep you posted on the Handguards, see how they are working out. I guess I need to keep my hands on the handlebars to keep them warm. So, all right, guys. Until next time, my friends. Stay safe. Love one another. Peace.